Hi students. In today's session we are going to learn about the first unit, number system. Number system la ennalam types of numbers irukku. Whatever we have learned from your 6th standard, we are going to learn about that. So the natural numbers range from 1 up to infinity. 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity. All the numbers are called natural numbers. And when 0 is added to the set, that is from 0, 1, 2, 3 up to infinity, they are called whole numbers and it is denoted by capital W. And now we have the negative set, that is from minus infinity to minus 1 and 0 and 1 to infinity. All these numbers together contribute the integers. Integers are denoted by capital Z. And finally, P by Q format la எழுதக்கூடிய எந்த நம்பரா இருந்தாலும் சரி, any number that can be written of the form P by Q is called as a rational number. And all these three sets form under this rational number set. Because, see, for example, minus 2 இருக்குனா, அதை I can write it as minus 2 divided by 1, which is again of the form P by Q. It can be either negative or positive, a rational number. There is another factor relevant to a rational number. Either this rational number will be terminating or non-terminating. Terminating na enna artham? Adunde decimal expansion mudirudhu like 1.5. This is terminating. Idukapra edhum kadayadu. Adhaadu 3 by 2 abindradha I can write it as 1.5. This is a rational number, which is whose decimal expansion is terminating. So terminating a irundaduna, it will be of the form P by Q. Or P by Q format la irundaduna, it may or may not be terminating. In the P by Q format la, there might be also some numbers which are non-terminating. For example, 10 by 3 pandren vechkoye. I'll get it as 1.3333, it will go on. In the 3 vandu stop e agadu. Thirumba you will get it. So this is a non-terminating but recurring fraction. In the fraction of expansion eppadi irukku? Non-terminating but recurring. Repeated the value. That's recurring. So the decimal expansion of a rational number which is of the form P by Q can be either terminating or if it's non-terminating it will be recurring. அப்படி இருந்ததுனா you can call that as a rational number. So always any decimal which is terminating or non-terminating but recurring can be expressed of the form P by Q. Whereas there are some decimal expansions which cannot be expressed of the form P by Q and such numbers are called irrational numbers. So those will be non-terminating and non-recurring. So for example, 3.59862532943. So in the madri non-terminating and non-recurring expansion irundaduna, it cannot be expressed of the form P by Q. Therefore, such numbers are called as irrational numbers. Rational number na P by Q format, which cannot be expressed of the form P by Q na, then they are irrational numbers. And this entire set of numbers known to us is categorized as real numbers. And real numbers is denoted by capital R. So, the important interesting question that comes into existence from this idea is, are all natural numbers whole numbers? Yes. Whole numbers category kulla da natural numbers varudhu. So all natural numbers are whole numbers. Same way, all whole numbers are integers. All integers are rational numbers. But all rational numbers are not irrational numbers. Adhe mari idukku ulta is also not true. All rational numbers are not integers. For example, 3 by 2, you can't take that up as an integer. Right? So all integers are not whole numbers. Ena minus negatives la irukadala whole number kadaiya. 0 la irundha aarambikkiradha whole numbers. All whole numbers are not natural numbers. So whatever goes this way, it is true. All natural numbers are whole numbers. All natural numbers are integer. All natural numbers are rational numbers. Other way, going this way, it is false. All rational numbers are not integers, are not whole numbers, are not natural numbers. All integers are not natural numbers. So, மேலந்து கீழ வரும்போது you don't have it to be true. அதுவே கீழந்து மேல போகும்போது it is true. So, accordingly you should have to answer the true or false questions.